In the quiet village of Willowrest, surrounded by green fields and soft golden light, lived a boy named Saurin with his family. Life there moved slowly, peacefully, and simply, far from the noise of cities. Saurin had a kind heart. He helped neighbors, respected elders, and smiled easily. But behind that kindness, he carried one weakness. He had no discipline in his daily life. He slept late into the night, woke up tired, skipped his studies, played without limits, and avoided responsibility whenever work appeared in front of him. His parents tried to guide him again and again. They said softly, "Saurin, talent without discipline is empty. Without discipline, no dream can survive." Even the villagers warned him. Some shook their heads, some whispered near the tea shop. But Saurin laughed and thought, life is only fun when no rules exist. One afternoon, after playing all day, Saurin rested under a tree. From there, he noticed Grandma teaching children with calm wisdom and patient eyes. She said, "Discipline is the greatest strength. It builds your future when motivation disappears and comfort tries to stop you." Those words quietly entered Saurin's heart. Curious, Saurin stepped forward and asked, "Grandma, is discipline really stronger than money, intelligence, or natural talent?" Grandma smiled kindly and replied, "If you truly want the answer, come to me before sunrise tomorrow. Life itself will teach you." The next morning, the rooster crowed. Saurin's body begged for sleep. His bed felt warm, but his mind remembered Grandma. Fighting laziness, he slowly stood up. When he reached her, Grandma looked at him proudly and said, "You have won your first victory today, the victory over your own excuses." She took him to the fields where farmers were already working under the rising sun, plowing soil, sowing seeds, and guiding oxen with focus and care. Grandma explained, "If they skip even one morning, their future suffers. Discipline is their invisible power that protects tomorrow." From that very morning, Saurin decided to change. He woke up early, studied with focus, respected his time, and stopped wasting his days. At first, the routine felt painful. Comfort called him back. Laziness whispered excuses, but Saurin pushed forward one small step at a time. Friends laughed at his new life. They teased him for waking early and studying more. But Saurin remembered, discipline means defeating excuses, not people. Days turned into months, months into years. Slowly, self-control grew stronger. Discipline became his habit, not his burden. Years later, Saurin became respected in Willowrest. He completed his studies and started teaching village children with patience and kindness. People proudly said, "Saurin's real strength is not intelligence or luck. Discipline is what built his destiny and his character." Grandma smiled and said, "Small daily actions create big futures. Conquer laziness, control yourself, and you can achieve anything in life."